has some little buttons.
Yeah. So, yeah. Any other parts? I'll still be driving from time to time.
Oh.
Alright. Are we doing this? Are we doing this? Alright, Cory, do you want the front seat?
No, I'm good.
No, okay. I'm so excited. Okay.
Is he coming with?
Yeah.
Who's coming?
Josh.
Josh.
You coming? Go ahead and start it.
Okay.
Flip on the. Alright, now put you there, yo. You should go ahead and start. Go ahead and.
We're practically neighbors.
Yeah, exactly.
That's home. Like,
Yeah.
That's where I grew up.
Exactly, yeah.
I've lived in the Midwest my whole life.
So I'll be, starting August, I'll be back there. Which, yeah, again, it feels like home. It feels better. And then
Give it a little,
Chicago's all
give it a
around
couple
there. There's so much
wabahs.
stuff to
There
do.
you go.
Yeah. All right, Josh, you coming or what?
Yep. I am.
Oh my god.
Okay.
That's all the bus favorite. That's my favorite bus.
Your favorites?
Alright,
Nice.
so
I love to hear
your
that.
foot's on the clutch.
Yep.
You're going to want to pull back on that as hard as you can. Squeeze it to release it.
So excited.
Okay.
Alright, your brakes off.
All right.
Foot on the
I
clutch,
live
all the way over and up.
Minneapolis, St. Paul area.
Oh, okay.
So, but I cover.
It's in, I think.
Alright,
I
now,
don't live in like
she's
territory.
finicky.
Okay.
I have
So go around here and then go down to
Indiana,
Alexander's.
Okay.
Michigan, Ohio, West Virginia, and Kentucky. So.
Okay, so yeah, you got to give a little more gas than that,
Okay.
buddy.
Okay. Oh, I was looking at it, I was like, oh.
That was good.
Yeah.
See how real?
There's no power steering, so
Yeah, I noticed that right away.
take those
that
brakes
power
real
steering?
quick.
No. Is it manual?
Yeah. Alright, we're good.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, honestly, that's a smooth takeoff, however.
Cory, what kind of engine does this have?
It's got a little international in it.
Okay.
Then just go ahead and do it a loop and go back up.
Okay.
Is it a 4 or a 6 or what is it?
It's an 8.
Is it?
8?
No, it's 6.
6. Inline 6?
Yeah. No, it's a V.
V?
Really? Wow.
I can't imagine how it's like to ride in one of these before. But I guess coming from like almost no cars at
Right.
all.
It beats walking.
Now going back up here, you can kick it down in a second if you want.
All right, we're gonna give it gun it a little more. Oh.
Fuck. You're fired.
Oh no.
Just cost us some clutch.
I'm sorry.
Cory, look at the sign on the top right. He's
not
talk to the
talk-
operator while the bus is in motion.
He has a lot going on at that
Uh-huh.
controls. He's shifting gears.
I can see why they. I wonder if they
Oh.
have the sign. There ain't nobody behind you, are there?
No.
Alright, give her some good. There you go. There you go. There you go, Albert.
Needed just to get up here.
All right. All right, where are we going?
I'm afraid to go.
You ready to take it a champagne or what?
All in champagne.
Yeah, let's go around. Let's go through the fuel island. And
Okay.
we'll come through between Dave and the other shop.
Okay.
Dave's not here today? It was his birthday today, and him and his wife had plans.
Oh.
Were
I
you
kind of
the
want
one
to
that
learn
moved it this
bodywork
morning?
stuff. Yeah.
It's good. It's a good one to learn for sure.
I'm like kind of too tall for this seat. And the mirrors are not right. I need them face down or up a little more.
Ride it up.
Right. Oh, I may need a
Yeah, you have to use that.
reverse. Oh, don't run into Bill.
Don't run into Alright. And maybe don't forget to push your button to get it reversed. All the way over and back. There you go. go.
Okay. Oh, his turn signal's been on. Oop, sorry.
Oh, that's fast. Yeah.
That was a little more than I.
That's going on Reddit.
Think that's enough? Nah, I'll go a little
There you
more.
go. Run right over that Tesla back there. No, it's kids with him.
He's in the driver's seat too. Does he really? Yeah.
No, he's in the parking lot, right?
Yeah, that's true.
There we go.
All the way
Okay.
over. I think I have a clutch left, Robert. What are you doing? You're good.
What?
Just jammed in there.
Okay. Listen
You
here.
gotta be mean to her.
You gotta be mean. Okay, I'm used to being gentle. Oh gosh.
Come on, Albert.
I miss power steering.
It's been like 2 minutes.
All right. Stop.
Oh gosh. That turning radius is.
It's a lot of work.
Got it?
Yeah, I'm sweating here.
Smaller bus. It's a lot of work.
Turn on the AC.
Okay, that's in.
I'd back up a little bit.
Okay.
If you had power steering with it, I'd say you could do it, but let's not get crazy.
Ah, yeah, you're right. Oh, jeez.
You gotta be moving, right?
There we go. Oh boy. I'm like fighting the steering at the same time.
Go, Albert.
Everybody's like, I hope we survive.
Oops. Sorry. Whew.
It's fine.
I'm getting nervous now. I'm messing up. I'll make it through. Okay.
You're good, man.
All right.
Good job, Albert.
We survived. How far are we going?
Just go all the way through the front.
Okay.
Second gear for the garage. Calm down, Dom.
Yeah, Cory, what's that over there?
What? Pull that all the way back
Okay.
as far as you can.
Yeah?
What?
What's that? Oh.
Go ahead and shut it off.
Okay. Off.
Have a much bigger garage.
Now
Oh,
put
yeah,
it in
that's
gear.
I'm like, I'm trying to figure out what each one is.
All right, Albert.
The whole
Woo!
shop area.
It was about
I'm sweating actually.
you did a
Holy
great job.
moly.
You did a great job.
Interior lights.
Thank you, Albert.
You're- Jeez.
Is this the horn?
Oh.
Whoa.